Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 9, 2023. 4 star Sudoku. 5th row, 7th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already give 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th grade. Column F, column G, we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come here to the cells. We'll confirm later. 8th row, column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come here to the cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 4. 5th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, 4 numbers are remaining 5, 8, 6, 9. 3rd row, we have 5 and 8 and 6. That 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 9. 7th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 2. Column G also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 2. 4th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 4th row, we have 2. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 4th row and 6th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G, 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 will come here on the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Column C also we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. 2nd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. 5th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. 8th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column E, only one number remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 4, 5, and 7. And 3 numbers can't come in the 2 cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. Column H, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then the column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, on second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.